Wow, time passes so fast. Just that day I met my favorite Kishorda and Shamim Bhai. Today, another Saturday. So what am I going to do today? I'm going to meet Kishorda again and together we'll be feeding birds at Oaklands Park, just 5 minutes from our home. Let's go there. Dada,
Yes,
are you there?
yes, I'm here.
Ready?
Yes.
So what's our plan today? Do you know?
Yeah, we know we need to go to Oaklands Park
And
and visit the birds, feed them, and know how they are living there.
okay, no problem. So get ready.
Yes, sure.
I give you 30 seconds.
All right.
So Dada, how was your week?
Yeah, it's busy, bit busy.
And what's your plan for today, rest of the day?
Today, rest of the day,
After
I have
we
the
return from
plan.
bird
After
feeding.
return, I have the plan to go for Marion Swimming Club.
Oh, you go for swimming every day?
Not every day, once a week.
Once in a week, yeah. And with your family or alone?
Maybe someone may go, but otherwise I may go alone.
Great. And tomorrow, what's your plan?
Tomorrow we have the plan to go to ISKCON Temple.
Oh, you go to ISKCON Temple on Sunday.
Sunday.
And
Not every Sunday, alternate Sunday.
yeah, and you said that they have very good lunch, right?
Yes, they give the feast. They observe the feast every 15 days.
That's okay?
Take, okay, 1/4 at least. Take more.
That's fine, I think.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Because it's raining,
Yeah.
let's go to the shed. Oh, see the magic. What's happening, Dada? Are you scaring them? Now they're going. Dada, call the ducks. See, they're coming. Some of them fight a lot. See, for no reason. No reason. There are ducks, there are dove, D-O-V-E, and then wild hen. There are other birds too. Dada, don't throw them into the water. Just on clean place. See another. Oh, what are you doing? See another pack. It's coming. Feast. They are joining the feast. Oh my God, what a beautiful scene. They're joining the feast. Okay. Yeah, you see? Oh. Dada, the king of this place is coming. Have you noticed?
That big bird?
Oh yeah. That guy is the king here. Oh, what a royal thing. Oh my God. Who gave it the news that a feast is going on here? They have got some special way of communicating, right? How do they know actually that what's going on here? I think someone is telling. Hey, join the feast. Come here. And I think there are some naughty guys, you know, like they just scare them.
I mean, they themselves.
Yeah, maybe some politics. They spread some rumor and then all gone, and then that guy comes and have the best of everything. You see, still they are coming. Dada, I think we need more seats. You see, they are coming still. Do you think you need more seats?
No, that's okay.
Huh?
That's enough.
Enough for today? Yeah, I think so. So the feast is over. Happy?
Yeah.
Dada, now tell me about your experience of feeding these birds.
I enjoy that one when they come together and eating our foods, whatever it is. I enjoy it that one. That when a lot of birds coming and they are fighting each other to find out their foods and what we are giving them. So that's I really enjoy.
What's the importance of this type of activity on the weekend?
It is actually good things that we are giving the food for the birds to serve some birds, means some people, something we are giving for the living things so they can survive in this earth and they live longer for us, which also maintain the ecological balance and that kind of things may happen. So this is good things that they will not extinct, they will grow, and so that's important for us.
And Dada, I know that you are an admirer of Swami Vivekananda, who said, "Jive prem kore jeijon, seijon seviche Ishwar," who love all creatures, do love God or serve God.
Yeah, I believe that one, and I also try. Of course, in many places it may not be possible, but I try not to give any hurt or paining any animals or any creatures in this earth by knowingly, but unknowingly maybe something happen. But my intention is to not to give them any pain or any sufferings for that one. And if I can support them, like we are feeding them, that is one support for them. And yeah, that's the things I want to.
Thank you, Dada,
Yeah.
once again for joining me today
Yes, sure.
here, and it was a great morning for us that we could do something for these innocent creatures of God. That's all for today. We have fed the birds at Oaklands Park, Oaklands Reserve. I believe you will be inspired by this small act, because if birds survive, we will survive. They are very important for ecological balance. Next weekend, I will take you somewhere else. Until then, stay well. Thank you.